Mumbai is conducting its Abhyas drill today, preparing its citizens in case of an emergency response. Expect sirens, expect mock drills, and expect mock rescue operations. Things will kick off with an air raid siren followed by simulated fire incidents and rescue coordination by police, fire and medical teams. This aims to test our emergency response, interagency coordination and citizen awareness in the face of a wartime or terror attack.
मॉडल थोड़े ही समय पर यहाँ पर किया जाएगा.
Bouts of rain were seen while the civil defense drill was being conducted, but rain couldn't stop the drill. As you can see, the volunteers are still there conducting the drill as Mumbai prepares in case of an emergency response. Can you tell about the drill which just happened?
Yeah, sure. In fact, today's drill is being done as per the guidelines of the National Disaster Management Authority. The Civil Defence Mumbai has taken a lead and organized this drill, and various governmental agencies including Mumbai Municipal Corporation, Fire Brigade, Hospital, NDRF and Aga Khan Agency for Habitat has participated in this drill. Our team has carried out the different operations, particularly on high-rise building rescue, fire safety, then carrying out the search and rescue operation, and also demonstration on the mass casualty management. So these are some of the things is done by a team for the better preparedness. So all of us are aware and alert to handle any kind of emergency situation. So these are very good initiatives taken by the civil defense in collaboration with all the emergency response agencies in Mumbai.
Is there anything else planned ahead of the day?
No, not now, because this after this inject particularly it will be over, the drill will be over, and rest of the things, like all the participants will be moving back to their residence.
And what about the blackout drill?
That is a separate thing is done by the state government, because at a 7 o'clock or at that time it will be burned out, but not related to this drill particularly.
Okay. Now, the team, how long were they prepared to conduct this drill?
In fact, these are the regular activity particularly, because throughout the year team is getting prepared for these kinds of operation, and whenever such kinds of drills are there, so at any given time team can be made available for the drill. So generally the time is around maybe 4 to 6 hour team are getting ready to immediately for the deployments.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.